Hey everybody, today I am very excited to announce our newest training event at the end of May 2024. I thought what a fitting place to have the announcement, but at our very first training pool. This was the first pool we ever built and did a training event on way back in April of 2022. So we are running on 2 years of doing this. We've done over 150 people at this point, have come through. Tons of successful pool builders now and DIYers under our belts. And this one is going to be the best yet. Every time I try to add content, but Eric and Patrick have helped me really step the game up. This training is May 30th, 31st, June 1st, and then our flex day will be June 2nd if we run into any bad weather. Guys, it's going to be amazing. We've got reps coming. Normally we've had a Pentair guy do the first few hours, try to help me save my voice a little bit, go over automation, hydraulic design, but it's really just touching on some, broad concepts. We got EcoFinish bringing a rep. We've got Basecrete bringing a rep. We got Renolit coming, the PVC membrane guys, and we've got a guy from Aquamatic Auto Covers, all doing their own thing in their own time at training. In addition to, we're gonna be doing a monopore. That monopore is either gonna be at the shop like we normally do, or if we're lucky and things fall right, we may have an actual big pool up to 140-yard pool that we have coming up, hoping we can get that one squeezed in. If we do, that one's gonna be a full pool, floor walls all at once, infinity edge, catch basin, sunken living room, all poured at training. No way to guarantee that's gonna happen. A lot of things have to fall right that are out of our control, but we will be doing a monopore regardless, and we'll have multiple site visits. Finished pools, the pool that we won Pool of the Year for. We also won a couple other awards that we may be taking you guys to those pools this year. We've got vinyl liners in multiple processes or multiple stages. We're gonna take you guys to all of those in addition to all this other stuff. It's gonna be an action-packed weekend, but I'm so happy to actually have the help of the actual reps that we represent and help you guys connect with them, see all the different finishes, all the different levels of pool building that you guys might want to be associated with. So guys, I can't tell you how excited I am. You just sign up. The website's been down here the whole time, all3pools.com. Sign up. Patrick will hit you back, give you all the information. I think half of it's already booked up by people on a waiting list, but there's still room. This is probably going to be the way we do it going forward as we have better relationships or more solid relationships with all these reps. Let them come in and do their thing while I show you the structural side of a monopore ICF pool and the vinyl liner ICF pools. It's just gonna be killer, guys. We'll probably do these 4 times a year. If we find a way to be a little more efficient in the wintertime, maybe we can squeeze another one in, but 4 times is what we're doing right now. So May 30th through June 2nd is our window. Sign up at all3pools.com. I cannot wait to see you guys. I'm so excited about this one. See you guys soon.